welcome back to my channel. This is How to Teach Online Part 3. So today we're going to talk about the Canvas, creating your course. Now that you have a few things in order, you want to make sure that you create your course in Canvas. So let's create a test. Let's call it How to Teach Online. As you can see, these are the areas that you're going to need when you use Canvas Learning Management System. We're going to import a template from the Commons. So I'm going to type in University Template, and then I'm going to look at a number of templates, and then I'm going to select one because I like the way the formatting is. When you become an online adjunct, you want to take a template and create your very own template. And this is a template that you can use every time you start an online course. Now keep in mind, this is going to be for Canvas. You'll have to do another template for any of the other learning management systems. So as you can see, we're loading it up right now. And then we're going to go to the course on our dashboard and take a look at what the template has. So here we are with the sample How to Teach Online course. We're going to click on that and we're going to see the template live inside of our course. So as you can see, you see the welcome to the course. There's the How to Teach Online. You also can see that this course already has all the learning outcomes, all the types of outcomes that you need for your course. Now, this is a template to make sure that you create a great course. And so you'll be able to look at all the full bleep, the introduction, the communication, and what this is doing is making sure that you can check these boxes when you create your template. BLEED is the Blended Learning Evaluation Assessment Toolkit, and this is for you, for your course. So you can see now you have the outline for the modules. This one is for the course schedule and the structure. It shows you how you want to outline your modules. These are all the things that you do first before you actually start to design your content. You want to create a template. You want to structure that template. You want to have your modules, because think about it. You're going to probably teach the same courses over and over based on your 18 credit hours, your degree, or even your PhD. So you may have 5, 6, or 7 courses that you teach all the time. You want to make sure you create a template of all the things that you want to teach in that course. And even if you can't use it in another learning management system, because this one is Canvas, you can take the format and copy the format. So here I'm showing you, this is how easy it is to delete what's in the template and make it yours. You can delete this L and put your own picture there. You can update it. And as you can see, this is showing you the aim of the course content and structure, and even the assessments. There are even quizzes here. One of the quizzes is a self-evaluation, and this is for how you created your course. So if there's no one to help you when you first become an online adjunct, no one is teaching you. Sometimes, they didn't teach me. I had to learn a lot, and I've been doing this for 10 years now. This is a way for you to level check and make sure you did all the things you needed to do for this course before you even get started. It's also another way to learn learning management systems, what's required, what's all the functionality that you have. And then you can modify that functionality based on your university policies. So you can see I have a pre-knowledge here in the template. There's a welcome to the course in the template. Now let's take a look at the student view. This is what the student would see. When they go to the home page, they will see however you outline this home page to be. They'll see important dates. They'll see Zoom meetings, how to navigate the course. They'll even see quick links and even information about the instructors. Sometimes you're the only instructor, and then sometimes there are multiple instructors for a course. So this is the way you can outline your template. It looks nice, it's professional, and again, you want to modify it and make it yours. This is just so you don't have to start from scratch, right? Here you can see before you start the course, you put some information there telling the students what they need to do first, the support they need, how to communicate, and how to navigate. So again, this is the home page. And now that you have your template, you want to create course content, right? So think about it. In the last two videos, part 1 and part 2, I showed you this easy generator for objectives. This is a great way to create your who, what, how, and condition for your learning objectives. Very quick to do. Then, if you want to know how long it's going to take for your assignments to be done, your readings, etc., this is the workload estimator. So you can use these tools for your assignments, and then you'll know exactly how long it's going to take students to go through it, right? But let me show you a couple of things you can do. This is a briefing template that I'm going to create for my new class in the summer. The colors are based on the university, and it's a way for me to show the student for Module 1, these are the sections we're going to study. So you show them the section. Section 1, you give them some quote or give them some information, and then you talk about that section. Now, these are the different templates that I'm going to have for the students when they come to the module. I probably will have another template that I'm going to use when I actually teach my online course for the 2 hours. But these are great templates that you can use for each module. It's going to be, constant. You'll show them various things based on what you need in your template. You can take out or put in information, and then you'll have a really nice, consistent course. When they come into the module, they'll know this is what they're going to see, the sections of the book or whatever you're trying to show them. It's going to be really nice and neat. And all of these slides are interactive. So you can plant various interactions in it so that they can click on a button and see some more information. And this way, you don't have to give them depth of 1,000 slides, like too many slides, You can compound the information by adding various interactive links, right? Now, I want to show you another template that you can use. This is a template if you want to talk about various companies. Maybe you want to talk about a problem or solution. Maybe if you're doing health law, you might talk about a policy or legislation. You can actually create all of these different types of things for your students, and you can rename them and use all the different types of squares and modules to put in here and make it so it's a one-pager. This is like an infographic. It's a one-pager that, again, you can compound the information by adding these interactive areas. And this makes it so students know where to go. It's all in there. You can even have a link to the book or the page they should be looking at. And it just makes it so students can enjoy their learning experience, right? What if you want to give your students a case study? Sometimes I start out in the beginning of the term with a case study, and we use it through the whole 8 weeks. This is a great template for creating the case study. It has all of the information, key facts. You'll put in the characters, the context. You'll put the goals and the problem statement. Then these might be some areas that you want to add, focus areas. You can put background information, reference information. You can put various graphs. Maybe it's a problem and you're showing them certain graphs as it relates to trends. And so when you have the case study, it has all of the information in there. You can have a link to various videos or whatever right inside the template. And again, it creates a great learning experience. Now, I may use this when I'm actually teaching online. What if I'm talking about a problem set and we're talking about cause and effect? I can give the link to the students and we can work through the problem set, and then we can have various additions where I add interactivity. Or I could give them this and split them up in groups, right? It's all about making a course wonderful for your students. Thanks so much for watching. This is the Online Adjunct, and we're all about how to get an online teaching job and how to teach online. Stay tuned for the next video. All right? Take care now.